Today I'm going to show you how to run a Zoom session from a classroom with a larger touchscreen, such as PPHAC 330. Let's go. So as with other classrooms, we're going to run the session from the Mac that's in the podium. So we'll need access to the keyboard, of course, and we're going to fire up the touchscreen. Tap to begin, and we're going to select our source over here of Podium Mac Mini. And the next very important step is we either have to click Send Audio Only or Send to Projector. That will activate the speakers for this source. Otherwise, if you just select the source, it doesn't automatically turn on the speakers for that source. So now that we've selected Podium Mac Mini and clicked Send Audio Only, we will hear audio from the Mac over the classroom loudspeakers. Next, we're going to log into the Mac Mini. Once you've logged into the Mac Mini, it's time to log into Zoom and check the audio and video settings for Zoom. You'll notice that in each classroom, we're going to have a little cheat sheet note card here that tells you exactly what Zoom settings you need to check for this particular classroom. And they are different for every room, so be sure to check this for each individual space. In this room, we're going to next log into Zoom. If you don't see Zoom in the bottom dock, it's very easy to get to by pressing Command Spacebar, which brings up the Spotlight search. Then just start typing Zoom and press Enter, and Zoom will appear. If you want to keep Zoom in the system dock, click and hold on the icon, roll up to Options, and click on Keep in Dock. And then Zoom will be there the next time you log into the Mac. So once we've done that, we can log into Zoom. So once we've logged into Zoom, now it's time to check our audio and video settings. Go up here to zoom.us and click on Preferences. And first click on Video, and we're going to check our video settings. Now under here, you should see the camera. In this case, it's an Elmo UVC camera, which is our document camera. But if you don't see an image or don't see a device there, chances are the device is turned off. In this case, a blue light means the power is on. A red light means the power is off. So always make sure you see the blue light here, and that means it is on and ready to go. So we can see that our camera is on, and we're taking a look at the classroom here. We have it aimed to wherever we need it to be. Great. Now let's check our audio settings. Now we reference the card down here to see what the speaker and microphone settings should be. And in this case, the speaker should be Crestron, and the microphone should be Dante USB I/O module. Great. And you can tell it's working if, of course, if you see the audio meters going, showing that there is something going on, which it is. So next, I'll show you how to check the audio settings from within Zoom itself. When you start a meeting, of course, be sure to join with computer audio, and you can check the box in the corner to bypass this setting every time and automatically join with computer audio. Next, I'm going to start video, which turns on the webcam. And next, I'm going to check my audio settings. I can click the up arrow next to the mute button and double check. Here, again, my microphone is Dante USB, the speaker is Crestron, and I'll double check these settings just to be sure by clicking on Test Speaker and Microphone. Great, we hear the ringtone, so we'll click Yes. Now, testing 1, 2, 3. Now, testing 1, 2, 3. Great, we can hear ourselves, so we know things are working. Great, we can hear ourselves, so we know things are working. Great, and once you've ended the test, you're back to your Zoom session and you can resume Zooming as usual. If you have any questions, please contact us at the IT Help Desk. That's 610-861-1500 or at help@moravian.edu.